So here's the underside, some of the subfloor or the floor here. This nail, you can see these are older nails from the 1700s, early 1800s. It's basically, they call it a forged nail. They handmade those. It's basically a small piece of cast iron. And then on the top side, they formed the head by smacking them on the four sides with a sledgehammer, forming the head by pounding those out. From the handmade tongue and groove boards, this room has white oak, and we're going to be working on bringing it back to life. The gray is where it had a little water on the surface. The gray turns it, and then there's the beautiful white oak underneath there. So now comes a decision of, the floor finish to put on it. On the nails in the floor, this is one of those forged nails, and the top has been striked. And then we get into some of these cut nails, which have different dimensions on different sides. There's a cut nail. And these are some of the nails over the years that were used to put the house together. This floor has some of these in it, so it makes it very difficult to take that floor apart. And then these square heads, and these nails are what help us document the age of the house and gives us a clue when the house has been remodeled over the years and some of the components in it.